Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use product rotating bar. I'm Kushal and I'm a Shopify developer, and I have made a lot of product grids for many stores. Today I'm going to show you how quickly and easily you can add a nice alternative of any grid which is more engaging, and it's not like a boring product grid you have seen like this in any themes. So this is a demo page, and you can see different demos here. This one has a curve like animation wave, and this is a flat straight line rotating bar. Now, this is the app I'm using for making this kind of section, and it not just this one, but this app has many other sections that can be installed at a one-time price. Once you install the app, you can go to sections page, and you can find out that section from menu by clicking rotating bar. Here are different types of rotating bar. From that, I'm going to demo today product rotating bar. As you can see, this can be purchased at a one-time cost. I have already done, but if you haven't purchased, it will ask you for the payment. Once you purchase, you can click install and select your theme. I'm going to select one of the theme and hit install. Once the installation is complete, you will see the success message, and you can customize this theme more from here. So you just need to click add section on any page where you want to add this section. So here I'm going to show you add section, and you can search like this and just click. So it will add a product rotating bar like this without any products. So further you have to select your products from here. I have quickly added all the products to show you this demo. And here are other settings. So from here, you can change the background color. Also, you can change the background of the image to something else. You can change the text color. And here are different settings like image shape. Either it can be square or circle. And also you can change the direction of this rotation and the speed. You can also decide how much gap between two products, and for mobile as well. And then there is a setting to set up a space above and below the section. So this way, and you can always add your custom style here to make it more customizable. So this is a quick overview of how to use iconic product rotating bar. So if you want to add product rotating bar or any other sections like this, then install Iconic Section app today. I'm waiting to see how you can enhance your store more and have more conversion. Always feel free to contact our support team if you need any other help. Thank you for watching.